guys? Welcome to my channel again. I have another gun review, but this time it's a rifle. It's a Bushmaster AR-15. It's been a very reliable rifle. I purchased this Colt. It's not expensive, and it has a red dot, and you could go from pretty far, you know. Pretty good reliable rifle. And I got the 40 Max. It's pretty nice. It has adjustable stock, cover everything. So if you like this kind of stuff, please hit a like and subscribe, and I will upload more guns. Thank you.